Setting up an AWeber autoresponder is an essential part of email marketing, allowing you to automate follow-up emails to your subscribers. Here's how to set it up. Log into your AWeber account. Go to AWeber and log into your account. Create an email list. If you haven't already, create an email list where your subscribers will be stored. Go to Manage Lists and click Create a List. Create a follow-up series. From the dashboard, go to Messages, Follow-up Series. Click Create a Follow-up Series to start building your autoresponder sequence. Name your series and choose the list you want the sequence to be connected to. Design your emails. For each follow-up email, click Create a Message. You can design your emails using AWeber's drag-and-drop editor or by selecting a template. Include your affiliate links, offers, or promotional content in each email. Set email timing. Set the delay for each email in the series. For example, you can set the first email to send immediately after a subscription, the second one to send after 2 days, and so on. Activate your autoresponder. After your emails are set, click Save and Exit. Your autoresponder sequence will now automatically send emails to subscribers on your list according to the schedule you set.